Good afternoon, this is Rich, and what an ugly day in the marketplace, and not just in the grains, but across the board. We saw the dollar rallying again. We continue to see, seems like about every other day, issues in Europe, worry in Europe, worry about the banking system, you name it, and that has definitely had an impact on all markets, not just the grain markets, but all of these investment markets. We're seeing the oil, the energy markets, the metals markets, stocks, all continue to see fear be traded, and thus see a lot of people pulling money out of the marketplace. Gordy Lynn says it smells a lot like 2008 after we saw the big rally upward in 2008 when people started heading for the woodshed. It seemed like everybody decided it was time to go at the same time, and that's kind of what we're seeing here once again in all of these markets, not just the grains. Here at the close tonight, the dollar up about 0.6 of a point. Crude oil down nearly $4 a barrel today after posting a nice rally yesterday. Gold down $43 an ounce. Silver down $1.80. The Dow down 195 points, 10,925. Flipping over to the grains, we did have December corn down 21.5 cents at 6.30 3/4. December 2012 corn down 19 cents at 5.81 1/4. November beans down 39.5, 12.23 1/2. November beans of next year down 30 cents at 12.31 1/2. December cotton down 0.62 today at 99.53. December Chicago wheat down 19.5 at 6.38 3/4. July Chicago down 20 1/4 at 6.91 3/4. December Kansas City down 26 1/4, 7.26 3/4, and July Kansas City down 24 cents at 7.48. Minneapolis D-Sweet down 8 cents at 8.61 1/4, and Minneapolis July down 19 3/4 at 8.17 3/4. Those July week closes on Chicago and Kansas City, making those revenue policy floors over $8 much more attractive even now than they were even just a day or two ago. And so we are heading up into the end of the purchasing period for crop insurance for wheat, and certainly we encourage you to take a look and see where those revenue floors are going to be put in place compared to where the market is right now. It's pretty stunning, really. As far as any other markets go, we do have the cattle market down about 60 cents on February. Hogs down over $1 here on the winter months, so continuing to see weakness there as well. We do have the grain stocks report as of September the 1st out on Friday morning, and certainly that is a report that the trade is waiting to see, and I'm afraid it's probably not going to be bullish. I don't really see how we can make that report be bullish. My fear is that we could come in with a higher stock number due to some early harvested corn before September the 1st that would be included in that number, and the market could misconstrue what that number really means, similar to what we saw last year. So just a word of caution here as we work towards that report Friday morning. Have a good evening. We'll talk to you tomorrow.